want to give you a mini tutorial on the tools Bible scholars use to understand Scripture. Now, if you're trying to figure out information about the context of the Scripture, what the place was like where the story took place, who was in charge, who were the rulers, what was the money, how did people make their living, you would use a tool called a reference tool. Now, reference comes in different forms. Things like the encyclopedia, the Bible encyclopedia, will give you background information on people, place, and things. A Bible dictionary can help define words that are used in the Bible so that you have a deeper understanding of the passage. You may also use a reference source like a concordance. Concordance is pretty interesting. What it is a collection of every time a particular word is used in a Bible. So let's say you want to know how many times oil is used. You would look up oil in the concordance and it would tell you every time oil is used in the Bible. Now, if you want to crack the code and find out what that passage means, you may want to try using a commentary. A commentary is just like what you write in your English class, except the focus is on Scripture. So a Bible commentary will seek to explore, to analyze, to explain the meaning of the Scripture. In other words, it helps you get to what God's message is to you in the Bible. But let's say you prefer to do your research online. If that's the case, we have an awesome research tool for you. To find the Oxford Biblical Studies, we need to go to the library website. Click on Academics, then go to Library Research Tools. Click on Library Research Tools, and you'll get to our library webpage. Scroll down to the Religion section and click on the drop-down menu. From there, you will pick Oxford Biblical Studies, and you will log in with the username and the password drop-ins. Once you're here, all these incredible resources are available to you. Different Bibles and commentaries, different reference sources, images, and maps. Let's say you want to know more about covenant. Type in covenant to the search box. When you type in covenant, the search engine will return to you all the instances that covenant is used in the database. Right now, I'm interested in background information, so reference is going to be my best bet. Here are all the different books that the database pulls from to explain covenant. I really want to know about covenant, but I'm more interested in the times covenant is used in relation to, let's say, people. So I can go over here to materials and daily life and I can pick like, oh, I want to know about covenant and occupations. And here, every time covenant is used with some kind of occupation, I get an explanation of that. So this is covenant and servant. So that's how I use reference. Now I really want to get into the meaning of the passage. I click on Catholic Study Bible. So I want a book of Exodus. I think I'll go to chapter 25 and I'll start with verse 1. So what I want to do is select commentary. This gives me the explanation of the passage. But I'd also like to see the Bible passage and the commentary together. So for that, I can click side by side. And the database will give me the Bible passage here and the commentary on the right. If I find that I don't like the wording of the Catholic Study Bible, I can switch up to the Access Bible. So I have a lot of choices about which Bible I want to use, and I can also change my commentary. So if I want that, I can also change the commentary to, let's say, the New Oxford Annotated Study Bible and get some commentary there. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on Bible research tools. Our goal is to strengthen your skills as a researcher and make sure you have the tools that you need to understand Scripture. Happy researching!